Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what I have bought for my dorm/apartment. I move in Saturday and I'll be living with my sister, and I'm extremely excited and I hope you enjoy this video. Every item will be linked down below. We still have more to purchase, but for right now I'm showing you the fun stuff that we have bought. I purchased this thinking it was an actual duvet, but it turned out to be just a duvet cover, so now I am in need of a comforter, which is disappointing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and I will surely get back to you. Also, please let me know if you want to see a dorm tour. Thanks again.